Today we will learn how to do sum, count, average, maximum, minimum value in Excel spreadsheet. So I have prepared a chart here for some students. Suppose there are some students A to J and there are two subjects, math and English. So these are the marks obtained by each of the students. Now with the help of these functions we will find out how to sum, average, max, min, count these values with the help of Excel. First of all, this cell you can format here. This go to the alignment or here go to the border. So here you can see, not this one, sorry, this you can deselect, and so you can go to border and again put this one. This is the separator. So this column is for the student's name, and this side these are subjects. It may be any number of subjects. So here I have considered two numbers. Okay, so these are the numbers obtained by each of the students. Now we will see how to sum these individual numbers. It's very simple. Suppose we want to sum all the students number who have obtained in mathematics. So these are the math. So total for the summation, just simply put this formula equals to sum. If we delete this one, suppose equals to sum, press tab and simply select all these and press enter. So 726. Similarly, the numbers obtained by all the students in English subject, it is 708. So this is the sum formula. This is quite simple. Next is coming sum only those numbers which are greater than 60, which are greater than 60. Suppose we want to find out the summation of the numbers in math subject which are greater than 60. Suppose here B student he has obtained 62, that means greater than 60. 88 also, 92, but not 45, it is less than 60. So I want Excel to calculate the summation of the numbers which are greater than 60. So here is the formula, equals to sum if, within bracket you have to select all the cells, all the data here, then comma, and within double inverted comma, greater than 60. So this is the condition, and you can find out the total summation of the numbers obtained which are greater than 60. Now I want to count how many students have obtained the numbers which is greater than 60 in math subject. So this is the formula, equals to count if, and select the range, data range, all for all the students A to J, then comma, and greater than 60. So function, that command is equals to count if, and greater than 60 is the condition here. Okay, next, number of students. So how many students appeared in the exam how many students got the numbers in math. So I want to count. How to count? So this is the formula, equals to count a, equals to count a. This is the formula, count a, and select the cells. Here number, here all the students, so I can count. So total 10 students. So A to J, there are 10 students. Next is coming maximum. How to find out max? It's very simple. Equals to max, and select the cells here, H2 to H11. So it is coming 98. 90 is the maximum number within this students. 90 is the highest number. Then minimum. So what is the minimum number obtained by any student? So simple. So equals to min, and then select the range, entire table. So it is coming as 45. Next is coming average. So what is the average number obtained by all the students? So equals to average, and then select all the data over here. So this is average. So average is 72.6, and for English subject it is 70.8. So in the same way you can find out for English subject sum greater than 60 or count greater than 60, or you can change the condition also. Instead of 60 you can put here any number as per your condition. Okay, now here is a special case. If I want Excel to calculate the numbers to do the summation if greater than 60, and less than 60, if greater than 60 and less than 60. So this is the formula. Actually I want the students who have got the marks in mathematics greater than 60, but in English subject who has got less than 60. That means suppose for B student, here he got 62 in math, so greater than 60, but in English he got 58, that means less than 60. So I want to sum such total marks who have got greater than 60 in mathematics and less than 60 in English. So this is one. So 120 plus, like this. So Excel will find out with the help of this formula, equals to sum ifs, sum ifs. You have to select this. You have to select the total cell first, then comma, then the math subject numbers greater than 60, comma, and then English subject numbers less than 60. So there are two conditions over here, and this is how to count ifs greater than 60 and less than 60. So the same formula over here, but it is counting only. So this is the formula. So in this video we have learned sum, average, max, mean, count.